Notice that index 4 resulted in the last element from the list, square brackets containing an index. But Python has a much more elegant way to get the last element. Here is a list from stations from Berlin-Alexanderplatz to Berlin-Ostkreuz. I print the first station and the second station. And finally, I print the last station. Let me execute that. That works. Notice that index 4 resulted in the last element from the list. What you are looking at is called indexing or subscription. Elements from a Python list can be accessed with square brackets containing an index. But you already knew this. What you also know is that it works fine if the list contains a fixed amount of elements. But one of the stations will be deleted from the list. I remove Jannowitzbrücke and execute the code again. Boom! When Python tried to access the element from index 4, an error occurred. Errors like these belong to the most common errors to occur in any programming language. So how can I safely get the last station? Well, I can use the length of the list and subtract 1. And that works. This is a common solution that works in any language. But Python, being the sweet language it is, has a much more elegant way to get the last element. That is nice. By using a negative index, Python uses the length of the list and subtracts the index for you. If you want the last element from a list, use index -1. And what about the second to last? Yep, it works exactly as you would expect it. What amazes me every day is that Python lists are so easy to work with, and yet they have all these hidden gems. And if you want to learn more about them, enroll in my Udemy course, Python Lists, Tuples, Sets and Dictionaries. There you learn what you should know beyond beginner level. A link is in the description. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching.